What's up, everybody? I have a video here today about the Revvl 6X 5G. I'm going to show you how to access the recovery menu and also do a hard reset on the device. First thing you're going to do is look for this power button and the volume up button. So you're going to hold the power button and then also the volume up key. Give it a few seconds. You're going to see this kind of like a boot mode where it has recovery, fast boot. You're going to navigate with the volume keys. So volume down and volume up are your navigation, but volume up is okay. So you're going to use the volume up to navigate and volume down to select. So you're going to want to select recovery and then hit volume down. This is going to shoot you over to the recovery menu on the device. You'll see the Android icon. You're going to press and hold power for a second, then tap volume up. Then release, and then now you're into the recovery menu. You're going to use the volume keys to navigate this menu. And you're going to want to select wipe data, factory reset, and then press the power button to select it. Now select factory data reset. Press your power button to select that. There you go, and that's it. You're done. You got the full factory reset completed on the phone, and you're gonna press the power button to reboot the device, and your device gonna be fully reset. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate that.